I'm in Las Maples State Park, State Natural Area. There's actually quite a few people here. Not as crowded as the weekend, but it's Sunday evening. And it's quite nice. This is my camp. Unfortunately, the office was closing just as I got here, so I have no camp firewood. I went up to the general store, about 5 miles up the road. The general store is closed, and they don't have any camp wood for me, or it's not open to get camp wood. Here's my tent cot. The motorcycle is mostly unpacked. I'll cook something on my stove later on tonight. But for now, this is where I am. And I got a campsite right next to the bathroom, so that's pretty good. And there's a nice family across the way. The one of them's just packing up. The other one came over and offered me hamburgers as soon as I got here. So that was nice. See the view here. It's pretty mountainous. Right over this bank, I'm pretty sure there is a river here somewhere. It might be just down the road that way. All in all, nice. Temperature's supposed to get down to 49 degrees tonight. It's about between 66 and 72 right now, depending on who you get your weather forecast from. So it's not too bad. I'm actually just I put a long sleeve shirt on for tonight, protect me from the bugs, and also the coolness. So here's another family coming in, or trying to come in. They're choosing a spot. Looks like a camp host here, I'm not sure, but he was driving around his pickup truck earlier today. Might just be a guy camping and being friendly. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna sit down a while and put my sneakers on instead of these motorcycle boots. Okay. Nice. Tripod. There we go. I don't know if the sun's gonna get that. Whew. Nice and warm here in the sun. Kind of path down to the river. There's the campsite, and I think if we follow this, hard to step over this with the way my feet are right now. I think we can do here though. It's hard to be sure-footed. These are also new sneakers. I don't want to walk too far in them. They don't have my orthotics in them. And I did get a blister almost a week and a half ago. Huge blister. And it's actually pretty clean. Got a band-aid on it right now on the bottom of my foot. But don't want to aggravate it. So here's the river right here, right where it says no parking. There's two sides to it. It goes under the roadway here. If you go camping at Las Maples, you want to make sure if you're motorcycle camping, you can get out, because this is the only way out. And if it floods, this is the road you're going to have to cross on a motorcycle. On a car, or a truck may not be too bad, but on a motorcycle, that's going to be a different story. Now on this side, it's pretty still waters right here, but it does go under the road and get a little faster. Let me see if we can get this little selfie going here. Oops. So this is Lost Maples State Park. The office is like right there above that hill. If I turn around, see right there. And you may not be able to see me because of the sun, but we'll be going into the sun, or right of the sun in a minute here. So there we go. A good shot of the river coming down there. I think it's the Sabinal, Lower Sabinal, something like that. And then across the street, across the street is the Babbling Brook. So I want to say it's flowing north. It seems north that way, but I'm all mixed up, so it could actually be south. I don't know. Anyways, that's a little walk around, and I'm gonna just walk back to the campsite and explore a little more. Maybe I'll take the bike and go explore further into the park. There's a picnic area down the road, but then there was a trail system down the road, and I don't know, maybe there's something interesting down there. Whatever, it's going to be an interesting night. First night camping with this new gear. First night camping that it's going to be about 50 degrees out, and I'm hoping the new gear will stand up. The comfort zone for the sleeping bag says 40, but I'm getting old. When the temperature drops below 70 in the house, there's a couple extra blankets that go on. Nice here though, nice and quiet. I just gotta shut up, huh? We get this way. Oop. You can see down the road. You gotta go about another quarter mile to get into the campground. But here's the path I took, and then there's another easier path to get up over here. You got the helmet cam view right now. And there's a dumping station if you have an RV. Oh no, here's the path I took. But there is a better path. Look at those cliffs, man. Can you see those? Hard to tell if the sun's getting in the camera or not. The contrast is too much. There we go. Good shot of the trees. They don't look like maple trees. So, a night without internet. This has got to be the first night without internet in a long, long time. There's another path up there, but there's a grassier incline right here, and I think I'll take that because I am tired. I did not get my afternoon nap. Selfie anymore. Those guys are taking forever to pack up. Out of breath just from that walk. Because, like I said, I'm exhausted. New footwear, I don't want to. I'm on the road between Vanderpool to Medina. Sharp curves and steep grades for the next 5 miles. Yeehaw! Taking it slow today. A little worn out from camping last night. Didn't have a pad, so it was a little hard on the hips. About 2 o'clock in the morning, I heard this growling sound. Like, I don't know, all I could think of was, that is one frustrated fucking raccoon trying to get into my food. And I kept listening, and I kept listening, and it kept going for about 5 minutes. And then I heard voices. And it seems to be it was my across the campsite neighbors. I want to say he was growling in his sleep or something. I can't figure it out. What it sounded like is, you know the sound a dog makes when you're playing tug of war with them, with a rag or a pull rope or whatever. That's what it sounded like for 5-10 minutes. That was about, I don't know, 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't really get back to sleep after that. I was like, what the fuck? It was like, seriously, it was like I thought it was a rabid raccoon trying to get at my food. It was up on the pole. And it was a weird, creepy sound.